Hello, my name is Ysabelle Dominica Recla. Today I'm going to discuss about artificial intelligence. First is, what is AI? Artificial intelligence or AI is the capacity of a computer or computer-controlled robot to accomplish activities that would normally be performed by intelligent individuals. The phrase is widely used to refer to a project intended to create systems with human-like cognitive abilities such as the capacity to reason, find meaning, generalize, and learn from prior experiences. Since the invention of the digital computer in the 1940s, it has been proved that computers can be programmed to perform extremely complicated jobs with ease. Despite the ongoing advances in computer processing speed and memory capacity, no program have yet to match human flexibility in various areas or in activities requiring a great deal of common knowledge. However, certain programs have surpassed the performance levels of human experts and professionals in completing specific tasks, and artificial intelligence in this restricted sense may be found in applications as diverse as medical diagnosis, computer search engines, and voice or handwriting recognition. So these are the latest invention and technology published in the year 2020. First is the BrainBox AI, second is the trajectory, third embodied Moxie, fourth Labot, and five is Hadoop ecosystem. So BrainBox AI. It is the most revolutionary technology gifted to humanity. It utilizes self-adapting artificial intelligence technology which proactively optimizes the energy consumption of buildings, which are the largest climate change contributors. Its AI engine supports a self-operating building that requires no human intervention. It optimizes the control of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning without use of deep learning, cloud-based computing, and automation to create maximization impact on energy consumption. HVAC enables the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning to operate autonomously. It is the BrainBox AI solution. They use artificial intelligence to predict a building's thermal load. So there are over 700 control languages currently being used for HVAC control. Looking at the big picture, about 20 of those 700 languages make up 80% of the market. BrainBox AI system focuses on the 20 or so dominant languages. Part of their minimum requirements for system integration is that the HVAC system must speak one of those 20 languages. So, he is the co-founder and CTO of BrainBox AI, Jean Simon Green. BrainBox AI's technology leverages artificial intelligence to improve commercial building operational efficiency through the HVAC system, reducing energy consumption and costs. As a technology expert specializing in the fast and efficient migration of the technological innovations to commercial applications, Jean Simon has over 25 years of experience developing and implementing new technology to solve long-standing commercial issues in the fields of telecommunications, biotechnology, and energy efficiency. So when was BrainBox AI created? On May 8, 2019, BrainBox AI launched the market with a vision to save the planet with AI. Today, 2 years later, they are doing just that through the global implementation of our cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology for one of the world's largest contributors to global warming, like the buildings. So next is the trajectory. There are some diseases which have been detrimental to human health even before coronavirus surfaced the earth. Cancer is listed amongst the most deadliest disease impact human health. So far, there have been no specific techniques that can detect cancer in its early stage. Trajectory uses artificial intelligence to empower patients to own their cancer journey and analyze its global patient communities accumulated data so that cancer patients take informed decisions. It analyzes all relevant treatment options and instantly presents only what is a relevant treatment plan and concerning the patient's condition. So its system is that researchers have created an AI system through which patients can track their symptoms. Tech-powered assistants, their technology analyzes all relevant treatment options and instantly presents only what is a match for their condition in easy-to-understand language. They remove barriers to becoming a true partner with their oncologist and making decisions about their future. They are not using language they don't understand. It's about giving the right options, giving them the data points and knowledge without scaring them. And then from there, they're acting upon it. So it's via Bader, CEO and co-founder of Trajectory. She is a savvy and experienced entrepreneur with decades of experience in business development, product marketing, and strategy. Ysabelle was the founder and CEO of Kido app and iOS and Android-based family scheduling technological solution, and Bucati, a startup aiming at identifying fake news in social media using advanced analytics. Ysabelle has held different business development and marketing positions in several tech companies, both B2B and B2C. Trajectory, a company founded in 2017, is one of the various competitors in this field. Cancer patients are matched to clinical trials by starting up. Next is the embodied Moxie. Children have witnessed countless incidents of social chaos and apathy this year. The changing societal diaspora increase in the incidence of hate-mongering and racism poses a threat to children's learning of compassion and empathy. However, robotic advancements have led to the innovation of a tool that helps the children being kind and compassionate. Embodied Moxie is a robot that allows the children to be more empathic, kind, and develop advanced human skills. Moxie can perceive, process, and respond to natural conversation, eye contact, facial expressions, and other behavior to create a unique and personalized learning experience for the child. It helps to build verbal confidence amongst children and helps in picking the social emotional concepts, the theory of mind and comprehension with the help of NLP. Tailor-made for the overall development of children. This nascent robotic tool helps in improving the physical health of the children with activities like breathing and guided meditation to help develop emotion and self-regulation skills. The Lantronix team supported to aid in the development of the secure operating system with the advanced IoT, privacy, security, and camera technology. They were able to bring Moxie to market. Moxie is a conversational robot who speaks in English only. Moxie uses natural language processing along with advanced artificial intelligence and deep learning to have more authentic interactions. So he is Paulo Perjanian, is the founder and CEO of Embodied Inc. Embodied is an industry-leading robotics and AI company creating state-of-the-art companion robots to revolutionize human-centric care and wellness by enhancing quality of life for individuals and families. So when was embodied moxie created? Maha Matari, a professor of robotics at USC, and Paolo Perjanian developed embodied in 2016. So next is Lovebot. It is the uncertain times inflict melancholic feelings and mental distress, which is detrimental for the overall development of an individual, especially if this distress seeps through personal relationships and causes chaos. To eliminate the incidence of disruptive relationship, Lovebot is designed to bring emotional peace at home. So Lovebot means love robot. This emotional robotic model is a model that senses the mood of an individual and reacts accordingly for elevating the mood. This is a perfect addition for having a peaceful, lovable, and homey environment. The technology uses more than 50 sensors to create a behavior which is very much like a human being. So the company created the built-in systems of AI in which programmable logic, integrated circuits for setup of the robot are used, for recognition by the robot of gestures and objects, and engine, the compiler with the open code developed by Konica Minolta company together with the University of Tokyo can be used. It provides fast processing of models of deep learning ready to start. As a result of Lovebot understands action of the person even better. Like for example, the robot can distinguish a raising of a hand and repeat this action after the user. Lovebot doesn't speak and it doesn't need to. Adding a voice assistant like Alexa would defeat the purpose, shattering all illusions of its harmless, childlike nature. Lovebot will react to a person's moods and do all it can to fill them with joy and re-energize them. It may not be a living creature, but Lovebot will warm their heart. Lovebot was born for just one reason, to be loved by a person. He is Kanami, the founder and CEO of Groove X Inc., the company responsible for designing and developing Lovebot, a next-generation household robot that touches people's heart and inspires affection. Additionally, Kanami Hayashi has had one past job as the Pepper development team leader at SoftBank. So, when was Lovebot created? Groove X has announced the launch of the companion robot, the Lovebot, on Tuesday, December 18, 2018. So the last is Hadoop ecosystem. Hadoop ecosystem is an open source framework intended to make interactions. Big data is a term given to the data sets which can be processed in an efficient manner with the help of traditional methodologies such as RDBMS. Hadoop has made its place in the industry, and companies that need to work on large data sets which are sensitive and needs efficient handling. Hadoop is a framework that enables processing of large data sets which reside in the form of clusters. Being a framework, Hadoop is made of several modules that are supported by a large ecosystem and technologies. The Hadoop ecosystem is a platform or a suite which provides various services to solve the big data problems. It includes Epic projects and various commercial tools and solutions. There are four major elements of Hadoop: the HDFS, MapReduce, YARN, and Hadoop Common. Most of the tools or solutions are used to supplement or support these major elements. All these tools work collectively to provide services such as absorption, analysis, storage, and maintenance of data, and etc. Hadoop ecosystem is neither a programming language nor a service. It is a platform or framework which solves big data problems. They are Mike Caffarella and Doug Cutting. Douglas Reed Cutting is a software designer and advocate and creator of open source search technology. He founded Fusin and with Mike Caffarella Notch, both open source search technology projects which are now managed through the Apex Software Foundation. So when was Hadoop ecosystem created? It was initially known as the Notch Distributed File System and was created in 2004 as part of the Notch project. In 2006, it became an official component of Apex Hadoop. Users may easily download large datasets into the HDFS and process the data. The advantages of AI technology is that it is good at detail-oriented jobs because AI improves the productivity of their employees. It also carries the promise of making industry more efficient and our lives easier. It also reduces time for data-heavy tasks because if a human researcher would do such data-heavy tasks, it would bury them, unlike AI applications that use machine learning can take that data and quickly turn it into actionable information. It also delivers consistent results, and AI-powered virtual agents are always available. So the disadvantages of AI technology is it is expensive because the performance of the AI algorithm, such as sufficient algorithm performance, is one of the primary cost issues. It also requires deep technical expertise and limited supply of qualified workers to build AI tools and lack of ability to generalize from one task to another. So that is all. Thank you.